I use Japanese restoration therapy because if I'm speaking to non-martial arts people, then they kind of understand. If I say Okazaki Restoration Therapy, they go, what the hell is that? Yeah. Acupressure massage, same thing. Meridian therapy, it's the same thing. Long life massage, it's the same thing. Okay, and if you learn this style of massage, it actually will prolong your life. What they'll do is 3 times. Okay, the second line is at the corner of the eyebrow here, inside corner, and you come up. The third line, the middle of the eyebrow, when you look in your book, you will see why, and it covers that. When you do this, make sure you stay off the spine, and the person receiving the massage, make sure if he's massaging bone, make sure you let him know, because he wants to get good at this too. If you don't talk to him, if you don't tell him, he's not going to get any good at it. Now, I'm going to start up at the top, and I'm going to take that first line, and I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. So, catch this. As I rock. And then when I get to the end, I'm not going to go here and beat on his butt. When I get to the end, I turn the hand, come down. This point right here, right in this hollow, that's bladder 60. The translation is universal dump. Okay, this point should never hurt. If it hurts, it means the body's storing toxins. And so what you need to do is open it up.